Second tutorial in ASP with C#, making an email. In the form, change the text to mail sender, and then make the show icon into false. Let's stretch the form, then put label boxes inside the form. Label 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then put a text box, 7 text boxes. The last text box is placed at the bottom part of label 7, below label 7, and stretch it. Make it bigger. Label 1, the text property, change it label 1 text property change to from. Label 2 change the text property to then the third is setup server. The fourth is the username. Fifth label box, change it into password. The sixth is put the subject. Then in the seventh is a message. Let's stretch all the text box. Okay. Okay. Then in the toolbox, put a button in the form, to the form. Change the text property again into send. Then in the button, send. Oh, before that, let's change the password, system password into true in the password field. And the name of the text, change it into password. Change all the name of the text boxes according to the field. And the last one, now in the button, let's make a declaration using system.net.mail. And now in the button, type mail message that mail is equals to new mail message, then parentheses, inside it is form.text, comma, to.text, comma again, subject.text, then comma again, body.text. Don't forget to put semicolon after each line. Then set up client. The client is equals to new. Set up client. Then another parenthesis. set up the text and semicolon. Client dot port is equal to 57. Oops, I had a mistake there. I will change it later. Then client credentials is equals to new system.net network credential, and another parenthesis, username that text, then comma, password that text. Another client that enable is equals to true. Client that send parenthesis mail, then semicolon. Message box that show mail sent, comma, success, comma, message box buttons that okay. Now we have this. We will change the fatal error into 587. Client port is equals to 587. Let's debug it and try. From anything that you want, maybe we can put, you can put your email address, then send to another email address, the server, username, then your password, the subject, let's put mail sender, and the message, subscribe for. Anything you want to put inside the message, may do so. And try to send it. Mail sent. Success. Click OK. Then go to the browser, which is your mail navigated. Then refresh it so that you can see the mail is being sent into whatever email address you want. Then that's it. Thanks for watching.